Nokia Best Camera. Smartphone Nokia, once a dominant force in the mobile phone industry, is poised to make a spectacular comeback with its upcoming smartphone. This new device is set to revolutionize the market with its groundbreaking 300MP camera and lightning-fast 220W charging capabilities. Let's dive into the details of this exciting new offering that's creating a buzz in the tech world. A photography powerhouse. The standout feature of Nokia's upcoming smartphone is undoubtedly its 300MP camera. This technological marvel is set to redefine mobile photography, pushing the boundaries of what's possible with a smartphone camera, unprecedented detail and clarity. With 300 megapixels at its disposal, this camera promises to capture images with an astounding level of detail. Users can expect to take photos that rival those from professional-grade cameras, with crisp, clear images that maintain their quality even when zoomed in or printed in large formats. Advanced sensor and image processing. Nokia hasn't just focused on increasing the megapixel count. The new smartphone incorporates cutting-edge sensor technology and advanced image processing algorithms. These innovations work together to ensure exceptional performance in various lighting conditions, including low-light environments where many smartphone cameras struggle AI-enhanced photography features. To complement the high-resolution sensor, Nokia has integrated AI-powered features into the camera system. These include an advanced night mode for stunning low-light photography, a portrait mode for professional-looking shots with beautifully blurred backgrounds, and a super-resolution mode that further enhances image quality, power up in minutes. Another headline feature of Nokia's upcoming smartphone is its incredibly fast 220W charging capability. This technology addresses one of the most common pain points for smartphone users: battery life and charging time. Lightning-fast charging speeds. With 220W fast charging, users can expect to fully charge their device in just 10 to 15 minutes. This is a game-changer for those with busy lifestyles who can't afford to be tethered to a charger for extended periods. Long-lasting battery life. While the exact battery capacity hasn't been confirmed, rumors suggest the phone may come with a substantial 7,000 mAh battery, combined with the ultra-fast charging. This should ensure that users can go through even the most demanding days without worrying about running out of power. Balancing speed and safety. It's worth noting that such high-speed charging requires advanced safety features. Nokia is likely to implement multiple layers of protection to ensure the battery remains safe and maintains its longevity despite the rapid charging speeds. Design and additional features. While the camera and charging capabilities are the headline features, Nokia's new smartphone is expected to excel in other areas as well. Sleek and stylish design. Nokia has always been known for its attention to design, and this new smartphone is expected to continue that tradition. Users can look forward to a slim, modern device that's both attractive and comfortable to hold high-performance display. The phone is rumored to feature an AMOLED display with a high refresh rate. This should provide users with vibrant colors, deep blacks, and smooth scrolling for an enhanced visual experience, whether browsing the web, watching videos, or playing games. Powerful processing. To handle the demands of the high-resolution camera and other features, Nokia is likely to equip this smartphone with a top-tier processor. This will ensure smooth performance for everything from everyday tasks to more demanding applications like gaming and video editing. A smartphone for every user. Nokia's upcoming smartphone seems designed to appeal to a wide range of users. Photography enthusiasts will be drawn to the unprecedented 300MP camera and its advanced features. Busy professionals will appreciate the ultra-fast charging that can power up the phone in minutes. Gamers and power users will enjoy the high-performance processor and display. Those who value design will be attracted to the phone's sleek aesthetics. With this upcoming smartphone, Nokia is making a bold statement about its return to the forefront of mobile technology. By pushing the boundaries of what's possible in smartphone photography and charging speed, Nokia is positioning itself as an innovator in the highly competitive smartphone market. While we await official confirmation of all specs and features, it's clear that Nokia's new smartphone is generating significant excitement. If the device lives up to its promises, it could very well re-establish Nokia as a major player in the smartphone industry. As always, potential buyers should wait for hands-on reviews and comparisons before making a purchase decision. However, based on the information available, Nokia's upcoming smartphone appears to be a device that could appeal to a wide range of users. from photography enthusiasts to tech-savvy professionals and everyone in between. Nokia's imminent return to the smartphone spotlight with this feature-packed device serves as a reminder of the company's innovative spirit and its ability to adapt to the ever-changing tech landscape. It's a promising sign for longtime Nokia fans and a challenge to established smartphone manufacturers. The mobile world will be watching closely as Nokia prepares to unveil what could be one of the most exciting smartphones of the year.